Hello members, this is Aman. Today we are going to discuss a stock that we believe can give very good returns in the medium to long run period. So we are not advising you to take any trade in this particular stock because the market is highly volatile. Also, we post our videos only for educational purposes. So today the stock that we are going to discuss about is SCL Technologies. So what has happened is like SCL Technologies has given a huge breakout today. It went up by like 50 rupees today itself, and the volume is also on a higher side. It has closed above its major resistance of around 1191.2 1191.45, so you can take it as 1190. It has closed above it. You can see that it was not able to close above this resistance level since 25th of October 21, though it has made several attempts to cross this resistance line, but it was not able to do so. Also, it has formed two important patterns uh, in during this entire period. One is inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the other one is flag pattern. So we will try to show you how these patterns have formed and how these can be used to project future movements just for your educational purposes. So just please be a little patient. I'm just drawing the lines. So you can see somewhere like it has given the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders pattern today. This was the resistance line. It has given the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the other pattern that it has given breakout of is the flag pattern. You can see the pole of the flag. This is the pole of the flag, and this is your like sort of the upper area and the lower area. So you will be able to see that there is a flag. I will just change the color so that you can get an idea. Okay, so now you can see that it has given a breakout of the flag pattern also today itself, and with a gap. You can see it had closed above this flag pattern on 17 December, but yesterday it came inside this flag pattern. So you can see it closed inside the flag pattern, but today it gave the breakout with huge volume and closed above the major resistance line of 1190. You can check the coordinates here. So it is 1191.50, or you can take it as 1190 for the rounding, for the purpose of convenience. So both the flag pattern and the inverted head and shoulder pattern have been like confirmed by this breakout. So the breakout has confirmed the validity of both these patterns. So based on the possibility of the like as to where SCL Tech can go from here, so we can take two methodologies. Either we can use the formula that we have taught you for head and shoulders pattern, or we can take the formula that we have discussed for the flag pattern. So with the on the base of flag pattern, the possible target that is coming out to be is 1189 minus 1096. So you can take it around 1189 minus 1097. Just a second, I will do the calculation. I will come back. So it is coming around to be 100 rupees from the breakout level. So you can take this as the breakout level. So 1161. So the possible target that is coming out to be as of now is 1261. So SCL Tech can reach 1261 in the coming days. So it will reach somewhere here. I will just draw the line. Okay, so it is quite possible that SCL might try to touch this level in the next few days if the market remains a little positive, because we can also see that there's no major resistance after 1216 in HCL. This target can easily come. 1253 is very easy to come. However, if we take the if we try to project the target based on the inverted head and shoulders pattern, then the possible target is coming around to be 1191 minus 1096. So again, it is coming around to be 100 rupees only. So you can expect this stock to go up to, because we will have to consider this breakout. This is where the head and shoulder pattern has been like given, the stock has given a breakout of the head and shoulders pattern here only. So we will have to take this level. So based on this, you can add 100 rupees to this. So we can say that SCL Tech might touch 1291 or maybe 1300 in the days to come. So we will draw another line. So this is 1300, or we will take the exact figure, we will take it as 1290. So these are two possible levels where SCL Technology might try to reach in the next few days or maybe few months. So the first target would be 1261 and the next target would be 1290, or you can take it as a round figure of around maybe 1300. So why we are saying that this can happen, because it gave breakout of two important patterns. One is the flag pattern and the other one is the inverted head and shoulders pattern. Both the patterns are considered very good in technical analysis, and the breakout has been given after almost 2 months, 25th of October, and today is 21st of December. So this entire area can be studied to make the projections for SCL Technology in the coming days. However, we would again advise you to please not take any trade on the basis of these videos. These videos are only for educational purposes, because it is very possible that SCL Technology might try to come back, touch this line, take support here, and then go up. So there is no point in buying SCL Technology at higher levels. If it has to be bought, it has to be bought near 1191, or once it like today, you could have bought it at 1191, or once it was giving the breakout. But obviously you cannot take the trade just because it has given the breakout. You need a confirmation also. So the confirmation of breakout will come tomorrow if the market remains a little positive. So we can expect SCL Technology to reach 1261 or 1290 in the coming days. Again, it is not a trading advice. We are just trying to educate you on the various technical patterns that are used by analysts in identifying the possible movement of any stock in the near future, or making projections about their possible targets that can come in the near future. As of now, yes, SCL Technology looks a little strong, but a lot would depend on how the market behaves tomorrow, because even though market has been going down, Nifty IT has remained strong in the last few days. So there is a possibility that we might see some profit booking in IT stocks as well, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So there is a possibility. We are not 100% sure, but yes, SCL Technology looks strong as of now. Whether it remains strong or not, that we will come to know in the days to come, as to whether it will touch 1261 or 1290, or will try to like come back here, take support here, then spend some time here, and then go up. So that we will come to know later on. Now we will be doing the analysis on weekly charts as well for your in-depth education. Just a second. So you can see it has given a breakout on the weekly charts. Like it is very visible. Okay, so you can see it was not able to cross this level. Today it has given the breakout, and the volume is also decent enough, not very high, because the week has just started. Today is Tuesday only. So this is your weekly candle. So it looks strong as of now. And you can also see that after 1215, there is no major resistance. The next major resistance on weekly charts comes at around, it has no major resistance as of now. So you can say the next major resistance would come around 1295. So the possible target can be 1261 or 1290. That we will come to know in the days to come. Now we will try to analyze the monthly chart. Just a second. So you can see that on a monthly chart also, it is trying to form a morning star pattern once it closes above the 50% of this candle. So we can say that morning star pattern has formed in SCL Technology, which is normally a bullish pattern. So we can see that for the month of October and November, SCL Technology was in a bearish trend. Now there could be a possible reversal, and we might see SCL Tech going higher from here. So this is how technical analysis is done. We had also given this trade to our members. Obviously, we are not going to tell you the level, because we don't promote giving trades on YouTube, because they can be very, very risky. We would again suggest you not to take any trade on the basis of these videos. These videos are only for your educational purposes. You can see as to whether our analysis proves to be correct or not in the coming days. It is not like that SCL Technology will touch 1261 tomorrow itself. It may or may not, but there is a possibility that in the days to come, it can touch 1261 or 1290. How many days it will take, that can also be estimated with the use of these candles, but we are not going to tell you that. So just for the information purposes, you can, if anyone is holding SCL Tech, he or she can observe how it performs in the coming days. So our first immediate target would be 1261, and after that it would be 1291, and after that it can go like to its previous highs, which is 1377. So this is your head and shoulders pattern, and this is fly pattern. This is our first live stock analysis of any breakout stock that we are giving you. So we hope that you would like it and would appreciate the kind of projections that we are making. Yesterday it went completely correct in Titan. We can also show you how TCS took support of 3570 that we had shared in our TCS analysis video, and you will be really surprised to see how those levels worked in case of Titan and TCS. So stock market is not gambling. It is all about your analysis. Sometimes you will prove to be right, sometimes you will prove to be wrong. The best part is the best situation is that you prove to be right in most of the situations. So we hope that you would like this video and see how SCL Technology performs tomorrow, because market is very volatile, so we don't know whether it will sustain this level or not. It might come back again, and then it might try to go back again. So that we will come to know only tomorrow or in the days to come. So thanks a lot. This is Aman signing off. Bye bye. Take care.